Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Reverend Jael. I hope you're doing well. I hope uko salama. I'm doing well. I'm doing fantastic. To the new subscribers, welcome to this awesome family that is always reminding you that you are your own safe space. And if you're a returning subscriber, when you share, when you like, when you comment, it's appreciated. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Guys, I've been away. The last time we went for elections. We are now back and steady. Yeah. So guys, we're going to interact in this channel with content relating to lifestyle, beauty, law, and also vlogs. So we have seen part of the vlogs, we've seen part of the beauty content and lifestyle care. So now we're going to shift to the low side of it all, and I'll create a playlist so that I can have law content in a certain playlist, then vlogs, then lifestyle content, and also the beauty content and fashion is go on the same side. So guys, on law, I'll just do a simple introduction to this playlist, and we'll work with the simple introduction of matters to do, an introduction to law and what it surrounds and everything that related to law. You'll be getting to interact with it as you get along. So in introduction, I'll talk about basic requirements to do a law degree or how you can achieve. Then I'll just do a difference between a lawyer, a law student, and an advocate or attorney in other countries. Also, I'll just give some few tips that you can employ so that you can become successful in law school. So let's get into the video. In Kenya, for you to do a law degree, you have to have done your secondary education, basically KCSE, and you have passed KCSE with a grade of C plus and a B in English or English or Kiswahili, sorry. So that's the entry point. So if you have not attained that grade, you can also go for diploma, then come back to your law degree. But there's some processes that are yet to be determined so that it will complete, because some people are finding it difficult to go to Kenya School of Law via diploma, then degree, then to Kenya School of Law. Yeah. So yeah, that's about it. So when you are a law student, it's basically ukiwa campus and you're taking your degree, your undergraduate degree yenye inajulikana kama LLB ama Bachelors of Laws. So the meaning ya LLB, which I get a lot, is simply Legum Baccalaureus. So I'll just I'll insert the word here. So it's a Latin abbreviation of the word LLB is a Latin abbreviation of Legum Baccalaureus, and Legum means law. So Baccalaureus is bachelor, so it's basically Bachelors of Laws but in Latin world. So I'll teach you kidogo about Latin. In Latin, when you're writing the plural form of a word, you take the first letter and double it. So ndo maana kuna LLB. So LL, it's the laws, Bachelor of Laws. So in Latin, if that makes sense. So when you go for 4 years, there's 56 units that you have to pass so that ukwe a lawyer, so that you can graduate. So the 56 units, it also encompasses judicial attachment and also a legal attachment, which it is clearly a legal clinic where you can just go and offer your legal services for free to an institution or an office that offers legal services. Kama kwa ofisi ya chief, you can go to police station, you can go to office of probation, hizo zote, so you can do that. So in our school, judicial attachment is after 2.2, then you go for your judicial attachment. Then legal clinic, you go in 4th year. Yeah, so that's when you graduate now, you become a lawyer. A lawyer cannot represent somebody in court, but you can offer legal opinion. You can also work in a law firm. There's a lot of things you can do with your law degree. Now, what happens when you want to become an advocate or attorney in other countries. So an advocate of the High Court of Kenya will undergo this process. So first, you have to pass the 56 units so that you get Kenya School of Law. And when you go to Kenya School of Law, you undertake advocate training program, which runs for, let's say, 1 year and a half. And then after that, you do your pupillage, you do your bar exams, you pass all the 9 units in Kenya School of Law and get admitted to the role of advocates. Now that's what you call admission, and now become the advocate of the High Court of Kenya. So that's the difference between an advocate and a lawyer. An advocate can represent you in court, is admitted to the bar, and can start their own law firm, and also what they can, yeah, that's basically it. So they can represent you in court. They have the audience of the court. Yeah, so another thing that you have to note about law school will change a whole part of your life. So you will have to adopt to a new lifestyle. You'll have to do different norms from what you used to do. So you have to be successful, but in your own way that it will impact. Being a lawyer means solving a problem that your client doesn't know, but you'll have to really to like solve. So it means you have to have a lot of skills and a lot of planning so that you can be successful. So with a lot of planning, you have to know your mode of study, what works for you. Are you a person of writing notes in class, or going to the library, reading those books, reading materials? There's a lot of reading that is required, and definitely this is a new lifestyle that you'll have to like change. Different customs, like you'll have to, if it's library, it's library. If it's, you decide it's a freestyle, it's freestyle. So it's upon you. But law school can really humble you. That's one thing I can say. You will be humble, but the end goal is how determined you are, how you passionately work, and also the skills you acquire in law school. You have to have interpersonal skills, you have to socialize with people, you have public speaking skills, you have to argue your points out, you should have strong research skills that should be on point. You can see the Supreme Court petition that are going on there. These judges, not judges, these senior counsels have facts. So you have to do your research. You should be aware of the current issues. There's a lot of things that happens within law school. So, and I'll really love to engage with those content here to help people know what goes around, what you need to know about the court system in Kenya. You have to know the judicial system, the difficult questions that comes with law and everything, so it will be simplified. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. It's a bit brief, but I just wanted to put you on matters law and the bit introduction of the basic questions I usually get, and we can interact. Guys, if you have any question related to law, you can always ask me either on my Instagram page, on my Facebook, on my Twitter. Also, you can leave a comment on this video. If you have reached this point of the video, make sure you leave a comment. You can share it, you can give it a thumbs up, that's a like, and also you can subscribe to this channel for more amazing content and other content. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye.